Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are to consider this question here on the board. The question says, find the value of x in the figures below. And these are the figure, this figure 1 and figure 2. You're going to start working with figure 1. And figure 1 here is what we call quadrilateral. And the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360. Then as such, we are going to add these four angles here and equate it to 360. Then as such, we are going to have here that 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 5x equals 360. This is the sum of angle in a quadrilateral. Then as such, sum this up, you are going to have here 2x plus 3x, that will give us 5x, plus 2x, that will give us 7x, then plus 5x, that will give us 12x, and we have it that 12x equals 360. Then now to get the value of x, you are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 12. Here we divide by 12, we divide here by 12, then here 12 eliminate 12, and we have that x equals 360 divided by 12, that will give us 30 degrees. Therefore, x equals 30. Then now, in figure 2, this is what we call triangle. Then the sum of angle in the triangle is 180. Then as such, we are going to sum the three sides and equate it to 180. Then as such, we have here that x plus 2x plus 2x equals 180 degrees. Then as such, we sum this up, we are going to have here 5x equals 180 degrees. To get the value of x here, we divide both sides through by 5. Here, divide by 5, then here, divide by 5. Then 5 will eliminate 5 here, and we have that 180 degree divided by 5, that will give us 36 degrees. Then as such, x equals 36 degrees in the second figure. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.